Hello traders, welcome back to our market update. Let's dive into the latest movements and key events shaping the financial landscape. Gold prices experienced a pullback on Thursday, snapping a 3-day winning streak. The Federal Reserve's hawkish surprise, projecting fewer rate cuts this year, is weighing on the commodity. The recent outlook shows just one rate cut in 2024, compared to 3 projected in March. This shift in projections led to a modest uptick in U.S. Treasury bond yields, which in turn strengthened the U.S. dollar. Consequently, this exerted some follow-through pressure on gold prices during the Asian session. Traders are now turning their attention to the U.S. economic docket, with the Producer Price Index or PPI and weekly initial jobless claims data expected to provide short-term impetus. On the cryptocurrency front, Bitcoin is poised for a potential 20% rally following the release of positive CPI data and the Federal Reserve's decision to leave interest rates unchanged. Whale activity has surged, with over 20,000 Bitcoin flowing to accumulating addresses during Tuesday's price decline. Adding to the bullish sentiment, U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump expressed his support for Bitcoin mining in the U.S., stating he wants all remaining Bitcoin to be made in the USA. This news triggered a rise in the stocks of Bitcoin mining companies, with TeraWulf, Hive Digital, and MicroStrategy all seeing significant gains. As we navigate these key developments, it's crucial to examine how the technical analysis has informed us. So let's go to the chart now. Okay, now we have the XAU to USD chart open. We can see that yesterday gold reached the resistance level we had previously set. The price briefly rose to the second resistance at 2,337 before dropping due to hawkish statements from the FOMC. Currently, the price is back below the first resistance level. Whether there will be a downward movement or not, we will see later, because in the Asian session, the price continued to decline. Looking at the stochastic indicator, it shows potential for further decline in gold towards a lower level. I see potential for the price to drop to around 2,297 or possibly reach our support level. For today, I see the potential for gold to continue its decline. If the price rises again, it may attempt to reach the second resistance at 2,337 again. However, for now, I see potential for a drop to around 2,287 or 2,297. If the price moves as predicted, there is a potential profit of $25 to $27. On the other hand, if it rises and breaks above 23.19, there is a potential profit of $17 to $20. Now let's move to Bitcoin. I have already opened Bitcoin on the H4 chart. Currently, Bitcoin is below the moving average level at 68,500. Yesterday, Bitcoin briefly rose to 70,000 but failed to sustain that level and dropped by 300 pips to 67,000. This is a significant move, also influenced by hawkish statements from the FOMC. Looking at the stochastic indicator, which shows a downward trend, there is a possibility that Bitcoin will continue to decline towards the support area around 67,000 and the second support at 66,000. On the upside, the first resistance is at 68,500 and the second resistance is at 69,300. If we want, we can set the resistance at yesterday's high of 70,000, but for now, I will set it around 69,300. So, for now, I see Bitcoin going down, along with gold which also appears to be declining. I expect the market to continue reacting positively to the US dollar, causing Bitcoin and gold prices to drop. Tonight, there will be a Producer Price Index data release. Depending on the PPI results, it may change the positive sentiment towards the US dollar. Remember to manage your risk and see you in the next video.